Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope you all are fine and safe. Today is Tuesday and the date is 19th of January 2021. This is your mathematics class and I am your maths teacher, Miss Amara. My dear students, our today's lesson is based on comparing decimals. So today we shall learn how we can compare the decimals up to thousandths. Because in the previous lectures we have studied about the comparison of decimals up till hundredths. So today we shall learn that how we can compare the decimals up till thousandths. How to compare decimals? We have to follow these steps. To compare decimal numbers, first line up the decimal points and digits in the place value column directly above each other. We compare the individual digits in each place value column from left to right. In the ones column, if both the digits are equal, then we move on to compare the next place value to the right. In the tenths column, if both the digits are equal, then we move on the next place value to the right and so on. Means if tenth is also equal, then we have to move on. At hundredths column, if it is also equal, then we have to move on thousandth column. So in this way, we can compare the decimals. As much as the number is bigger, we can decide which number is bigger. So let us learn some examples. Here we have to compare 0.402 and 0.420. So as according to the first step, we have to write the digits according to their place value. The decimal point must be lined up. So here we can see that ones digit is 0 for both the numbers, so that is equal. Then we move on 0 and 0, that is same or different. This is same. Then we move on the tenths column, 4 and 4. Is this same or different? This is same. Then we have to move on hundredths column, 0 and 2. Is this same or different? Yes, these are different. So now we can decide that 2 is bigger. So it means 0.420 number is bigger. If the hundredths column is also equal, then we have to move on the thousandth column. So we can write in this way that 0.402 is less than 0.420. Or we can write 0.420 is greater than 0.402. Now let's do one more example. Here we have to compare 0.312 and 0.032. So according to the first step, we have to place the digits and decimal point according to their place value. They must be lined up according to their place value. Now compare the ones digit. Here we can see that ones digit is 0 and 0. Is it same or different? This is same. Now move on tenths, 3 and 0. Is this same or different? Yes, this is different. And 3 is bigger. So we can decide that 0.312 is bigger than 0.032. Now as we have to use the symbol, so we can write as 0.312 is greater than 0.032. Or we can write that 0.032 is less than 0.312. Here's another example. Here we have to compare 0.05 and 0.050. Now we have to place the digits in the place value table, and we know that if one place value is missing at the end, we can put 0 by ourselves also. So in the first number, that is 0.05, here thousandth place is missing, so we can add filler 0 by ourselves. Now we can compare 0 and 0. Is this same or different? This is same. Move on tenths. 0 and 0. Is this same or different? This is same. Move on hundredth. Is this same or different? This is also same. Now move on thousandths. Is this same or different? This is also same. So now what we can decide here? We can decide that 0.05 and 0.050, they both are equal. So we can use the equal sign. We can write 0.05 is equals to 0.050. Here is one more example. 0.777 and 0.707. We have to line up the digits according to their place value. Now see, 0 and 0 is same in ones column. In tenths column, 7 and 7 are same. In hundredth column, 7 and 0, they both are different, and here we can decide that 7 is the bigger number. So we can say that 0.777 is greater, and we can write 0.777 is greater than 0.707, or we can write 0.707 is less than 0.777. I hope you all have learned by these examples, and now you can easily understand the comparison between two numbers. Now let's move on towards our notebook work. Today we have to compare the decimals. We have to do question number 2 from page number 108. We have to do all parts of question number 2 in our notebooks. And my dear students, don't forget to draw the margin line. Here is a beautiful thing. The beautiful thing about learning is that no one take it away from you. Yes, if we learn something, no one can take it out from us. So, learning is very important in our life. Thank you, my dear students. Take care. Allah Hafiz.